Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use templates for Instagram. First, open your preferred design application or Instagram itself to browse available templates. You will find thousands of options, so select one that perfectly matches your brand's visual style and the message you want to convey. Remember to pick a template suitable for your content type, whether it is a standard post, an engaging story, or a dynamic reel. Next, personalize your chosen template to make it uniquely yours. Start by replacing any placeholder text with your specific message, perhaps a compelling call to action. Then, integrate your own high-quality images or videos, ensuring they fit the template's layout. Finally, fine-tune the design by adjusting colors and fonts to perfectly align with your brand's established visual identity, creating a cohesive look. To maximize engagement, add interactive elements to your content. For stories, consider incorporating stickers such as polls, quizzes, or question boxes to encourage audience participation. Always include relevant hashtags and location tags to significantly boost discoverability among a wider audience. For Reels, selecting trending music or audio can dramatically increase viewership and capture more attention from potential followers. Before sharing, always perform a thorough review of your content. Check for any typos, grammatical errors, or design inconsistencies to ensure a polished final product. Utilize Instagram's built-in scheduling tools to post your content at optimal times, reaching the largest possible audience. Once everything is perfect, confidently share your finished creation directly to your Instagram feed or story for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.